Clap Bike Chronicles. Sad to say that today is the end of the DS650. We've decided that it is more cost effective, more economical, and a higher profit margin to just strip this bitch down for parts and sell it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna strip this bitch down to bolts and sell it one piece at a time.
Thought that would break off, but it didn't. Well, that's built right.
So anyway, that's what we got going on. Alright guys, so we are, I don't know, about halfway through stripping her down. We're working on getting the tail subframe off now, and it's just, that impact is way too loud to be blasting off at night. So we're going to shut her down for the evening.
Bumper to take one apart, man.
You weren't saying that a minute ago.
Well, no, I was joking, but still, these are super nice motorcycles. So it's a bummer.
One thing that's really cool, and you don't see this in 2001, this rear shock has a fucking piggyback reservoir on it. Who's doing that in 2001? I mean, let's be real. Nobody was doing that in 2001. That's just a testament to why this bike was particularly badass. So we've got the intake, Yoshimura slip-on, we got the bumper, headlight, front plastics, pegs, grab bar, subframes, tail light. Yeah, that's what we got, guys. We're gonna pick this up another day. Next time we are gonna try and finish the wiring harness and engine removal We're gonna get that radiator out of there. We're gonna get the oil pan, the steering stem, and the front A-arms all disassembled. Made a shitload of progress tonight. We will continue next time. Laters!